it's SHXXXT here, or Angel, whatever works best for you. And if you can see by the title, I don't even know what I'm gonna name it yet, but this is kind of like a reset pamper day thing. I'm resetting my space, resetting my life, winding down. It is Sunday. It's usually when I do this, but this is even better because I put it off so late. But my client that I have tomorrow canceled session, so that means I have tomorrow off. So that means I got all the time in the world to do my ish. So I'm gonna clean my bathroom, my room, put my clothes away, all that, and wear a mask. It is late, I don't care. I'm just gonna spend all day doing this, honestly. Like, whenever I clean up and stuff, it's very therapeutic. I'm so sad because I had so many things that I could have filmed this weekend and like this week. Like, I did my hair, I could have filmed that, even though it's quite questionable. My parts are really big, but I did my own hair, okay? Yes. I did like such a cute look yesterday, and I was gonna film it, but I knew I was doing full beat and I just didn't have time to film. Sad about that because the look was like so cute. I got to wear this new dress. Long story short, had so much film. I didn't do it. Sorry, I suck. Oops. But that's okay because now we're filming, and look, this disastrous mess. Y'all know how it is when you get ready. So this is my time to clean up and everything. I'm not gonna pull you guys through all like the clean up and all that because this is, I feel like it's gonna be a long video. But before, ta-da, nice and clean. I cleaned my toilet. That's why it's making these sounds. But yeah, that's the bathroom. My favorite places to clean are the bathrooms and kitchens. I think it's just because the lights are so bright and in there, I don't know, favorite place to clean. But now I gotta clean, there's hair there that I need to add more into my head. Let's go clean my room because that one needs some attention. Be nice to me. It's kind of a mess, just a little bit. It's not too bad. I clean like my bedding and stuff as well. I think I'm gonna do that now, or maybe when I wake up in the morning, I'll throw them in the washer so I don't stay in bed all day. Ha ha ha, since I have it off and I need to get some work done. But yeah, let's clean up this room. I'm not done my room. I know I was supposed to come back grand entrance. I'm just not done. It is like 1 a.m. and I'm just not, I'm telling you, clean my room, it takes like real motivation with the room. The bathroom is always just nice, like the room, especially at night, like the lights are so dim in there. But anyway, we are going to be doing some skincare. I got this really cool peel off mask. It's like a marble one by Freeman. Freeman always has like really cool masks, but it's Sunday and let's do some cute pampering. So when I get this mask on, I'll let you know. I'm just gonna go do some like boring face wash and stuff. Let's use it. This thing looks so cool. It's saying marble. So I'm really excited to try it. I don't know what to expect. There we go. Honestly, I don't really care about this like thing. I just think these colors are cool. Whoa, it's very sticky. It's very sticky. It literally feels like glue. Avoid your eyebrows and stuff. See, usually like I'm not too stressed about that. This will rip off your eyebrows. Oh, jump scare. I'll be back when we peel it. Hopefully it's satisfying, you know, all this work. I've never had a mask do this before, but you can literally see the hair on my face. Like, look at that. I know it's like really close to my like hair, but you can, it's picking up the hair on my face. I feel like this is gonna be painful to take off. Like, rude. Why are you, what are you trying to say, mask? That I got a mustache? Rude. Okay, let's see how this goes. Oh my gosh. It hurts so bad and I knew it. The way it's gripping on my hair is like, of course it wouldn't. I have to use water because you should never rip off a product like a mask on your face, like no strips or anything like that. You should never be doing that. I'm sad. The reason I like peel off masks is because they're just so easy. Like the cleanup's easy, all of it's easy, but the cleanup is not gonna be easy with this. This is ridiculous. Okay, that's it. Let me wash my face because I'm like really annoyed right now. Okay, what I will say is that mask made my skin feel really good. So next, final step, I'm gonna be using this AHA night treatment by Glow Recipe. My skin, like, I think they just said to pat it in. I think I put way too much. And I'm just gonna let that absorb. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hands. We did a lot to the face, AHA treatment and all that. We gotta be a glazed donut. If you hear that, there's a crazy thunderstorm happening right now, and low-key, thunderstorms high-key scare me actually. Anyway, my face looks nice and glossy like a glazed donut. Yum. Okay, I think we're gonna go to bed and finish this off tomorrow because I'm exhausted and I just wanted to stay in my bed and eat some girl dinner, aka some crackers. Bath mats and towels. I just greatly put my laundry in. Like, I have a little bit of laundry I should be doing, but I put like my mats and towels in. I'm gonna clean those first. This big load of laundry I need to put away. My room, we're almost there. You know, at the end of your room when you have like, when you're done cleaning your room, but you just have like the little things. That's what I have right now, and that's like the worst part. Like the big stuff, okay, like put the clothes in the laundry bin, but the small things, that one makes my head turn. I guess y'all are running errands with me too. I'm about to hop into the bank because I need to give them proof of enrollment, of proof of me being in school, so that they can keep my account as a student account. So let's go. The bank was so annoying. So I went to the bank and they've been toying me around. I went there before because I'm trying to like leave my student account. I went there and they were like, you need to call. Okay. I come back, I call, and they're like, you need to go in with papers to approve that you are still a student. Okay. I went in today with my papers and they're like, you need to book an appointment with an advisor through the phone. Anyway, it's done. I have a phone call appointment tomorrow. We'll see how that works. My room is clean. I'm not going to show you like a nice reveal just because my bedding is being washed. So my room, it looks a little mess, but I will show you my closet. This is my beautiful closet. I need to put more shoes up here. I've had more, but they're downstairs right now. And I got my nails. I painted my nails. My favorite color to paint my nails is black. I think it's so sexy. I think it's so cute. It's so sleek. They say red is the go-to sexy color. No. Black is, especially on short nails. It's just so sleek and so beautiful. And it's a vibe. But I think that's the end of this video, guys. I'm going to also book a therapy appointment to end this video. I don't have much to talk about in therapy. I've been in a very good space mentally, but I still feel inclined. I hear it's good to go to therapy when you have nothing to talk about. I personally don't like doing that, but again, I think it's good to do. So I'm going to book a therapy appointment for this week. And then I think that's about it. That's all for my like self-care. I painted my nails. I haven't painted my nails in so long, and I bought so many. Let me show you actually really quick before I leave. I bought so many Sephora nail polishes because I had a Sephora gift card, and I'm not like crazy big on makeup right now. But nail polish, I'm trying to grow out my nails long, have natural long nails. Same way I'm doing like my eyelashes. I'm in like a real natural era in my life, and it's fun. I'm loving it. So I'm going to leave you guys. You guys have a great day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for enduring this random weird ass video. I also, a little announcement, I am trying to start a Twitch. I was trying to do that today and set it up. It didn't work out. Twitch is a little complicated. I feel like an old woman, but I'm trying to start a Twitch just for learning purposes for me. I'd like to study my sign language on there. I'm trying to learn Swahili. That is like my native language that I just understand. I don't know how to speak, trying to learn that. I am going into school to be a speech pathologist. I'm in classes right now. I'd love to study while streaming, and I think it'll hold me accountable. So that is that is a lot of the self-care also I'm doing right now. There's a lot of wheels turning. I also got a brand deal. I don't want to jinx it, but I'll just tell you guys that I got like my first brand deal from TikTok, which is super cool. So I'm trying to be more active on there. Check out my TikTok. I mean, my shorts are like all my TikToks anyway. I'm trying to be more active. TikTok is just really easy to burn out on because the consistency should be 2 to 3 videos a day. And that gets a lot. It gets a lot. It's a lot of planning, brainstorming, but I'm trying to remember with TikTok that like I can post anything. I don't want to do too much, but it's still a lot. Your brain still needs to work, you know, but that's everything. All the updates I have for you guys. I'm super excited. I hope you guys are excited. I am like in like a mode, which I'm really excited about, where I'm just like, I'm just loving everything right now. Okay. I'm really grateful. And I'm trying to get into my faith more, which is like really cool. My mom had got me this prayer journal that I would like to start getting into like every time before I go to bed, because I do like journaling and I would love to put a lot of my gratitude into my faith. That's a whole other story. But yeah, there's a lot going on in my mind. I feel very mentally healthy and mentally all right, but I also feel a little overwhelmed in the school aspect. So I'm wondering if streaming will be nice to give me like a sane mind, because when it comes to like school and stuff, I get overwhelmed because I don't know where to start, and so I do nothing, and then I procrastinate and all this. So, but that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. If you guys have any video requests, let me know. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Remember to be humble, okay? And always remember, self-love is the best love, and it's not goodbye. It's see you tomorrow in a short. Bye guys. Mwah.
Enjoyed your time. Still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.